Grow bell peppers from Seed in Containers, a beginner's guide. Tired of bland, store-bought peppers? Imagine biting into a juicy, flavorful bell pepper you grew yourself, right on your patio. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to grow bell peppers from seed in containers, even if you have limited space. Growing bell peppers in containers is perfect for urban gardeners, apartment dwellers, or anyone with limited garden space. It's a simple and rewarding way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. Plus, you have complete control over the soil and growing conditions. Bell peppers thrive in warm weather and require plenty of sunlight. Containers allow you to easily move your plants to the sunniest spot on your balcony or patio. This ensures they get the light they need to produce delicious peppers. Let's gather everything you'll need to start your bell pepper journey. Seeing the materials laid out will make the process even clearer. Don't worry, most of these items are readily available at your local garden center. First, you'll need bell pepper seeds. Choose your favorite variety: red, yellow, orange, or even purple. Next, grab some seed starting mix. This is crucial for good drainage and aeration, which helps those tiny roots develop. You'll also need small containers or seed trays with drainage holes. These are for starting the seeds indoors. Later, you'll need larger containers, at least 12 inches wide and deep, for the mature plants. A watering can or spray bottle is essential for gentle watering. If you're starting seeds indoors, a grow light can be a game changer. Don't forget labels and a marker to keep track of your varieties. Finally, consider a balanced fertilizer for later in the growing season. This will give your plants the nutrients they need to produce abundant peppers. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Before sowing, let's prepare our containers. This step is simple but important for healthy seedlings. We want to create the perfect environment for those tiny seeds to sprout and grow. Fill your small containers or seed trays with seed starting mix. Leave about an inch of space at the top. This prevents water from overflowing when you water your seedlings. Gently tap the container to settle the soil. Avoid packing it down too tightly. We want the soil to be loose and airy for optimal root growth. Now for the fun part, sowing the seeds. This is where the magic begins. Get ready to watch those tiny seeds transform into vibrant pepper plants. Gently place 2-3 seeds in each cell or container. This increases your chances of at least one seed germinating. Don't worry, we'll thin them out later if multiple seeds sprout. Cover the seeds with a thin layer, about 1/4 inch, of seed starting mix. Too much soil can make it difficult for the seedlings to emerge. A light covering is all they need. Gently water the soil using a spray bottle or watering can with a gentle nozzle. The soil should be moist but not soggy. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to rot. Finally, label each container with the pepper variety and sowing date. This will help you keep track of your plants as they grow. Organization is key to a successful garden. Now comes the waiting game. But don't worry, there are things you can do to ensure successful germination. Creating the right environment is crucial for those seeds to sprout. Place the containers in a warm location, ideally between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. A heat mat can be helpful if your home is cooler. Warmth encourages germination. If you're starting seeds indoors, a grow light is highly recommended. Place the light a few inches above the containers. This provides the seedlings with the light they need to grow strong and healthy. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check the soil moisture daily and water as needed. Remember, damp, not drenched. Germination typically takes 7-14 days. Be patient and keep an eye on your containers. The first sign of life is always exciting. Once the seedlings emerge, ensure they get plenty of light. If you have multiple seedlings in one container, thin them out to the strongest one. This gives the remaining seedling room to grow. Once your seedlings have a few sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into larger containers. This is a crucial step in their development. Giving them more space allows their roots to expand and thrive. Choose containers that are at least 12 inches wide and deep. This provides enough room for the mature pepper plants to grow. Make sure the containers have drainage holes. Gently remove the seedlings from their small containers, being careful not to damage the roots. Support the seedling from the base as you gently tease it out. handle with care. Bury the stem up to the first set of leaves in the larger container. This encourages the plant to develop a stronger root system. More roots mean more peppers. Water thoroughly after transplanting. This helps settle the soil around the roots and reduces transplant shock. A little TLC goes a long way. Now that your pepper plants are in their larger containers, it's time to focus on ongoing care. Consistent attention will reward you with a bountiful harvest. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. Water regularly, especially during hot weather. Check the soil moisture frequently, and water when the top inch feels dry. Peppers need consistent moisture to thrive. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package. This provides the plants with the nutrients they need to produce peppers. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids and whiteflies. Organic pest control methods, like insecticidal soap or neem oil, can be effective. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your homegrown bell peppers. This is the culmination of your hard work and dedication. Get ready to enjoy the fruits, or vegetables, of your labor. Bell peppers are typically ready to harvest 90 days after transplanting. The exact timing depends on the variety. Patience is key. Harvest when the peppers are firm and have reached their mature color. They should be easy to twist off the plant. Don't be afraid to give them a gentle tug. Enjoy your homegrown peppers in salads, stir-fries, or stuffed peppers. The possibilities are endless. There's nothing quite like the taste of a pepper you grew yourself. Growing bell peppers from seed in containers is a rewarding experience. It's a great way to connect with nature and enjoy fresh, healthy produce. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to grow your own bell peppers from seed in containers. It's easier than you think, and the results are delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're always sharing new ideas and inspiration. Your support helps us create more content. What's your favorite bell pepper variety? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your gardening experiences. Sharing tips and ideas helps us all grow.